how you can make your first $500 to $1,000 plus per day net profit, not revenue, profit with TikTok affiliate marketing using ClickBank and also other affiliate networks. As you can see over here, we had some really great day today and yesterday. The reason why is because, as you can see here, my friend, you can see over here on TikTok, right? I'm using organic, free traffic, also paid ads, okay? TikTok ads. You can see over here in the last 28 days, I had, as you can see, 3.4 million video views. Now keep in mind this, because later in this video, I'm going to show exactly how I did this, okay? Not only tell you, but show you. So you can see I had almost 350,000 likes and 33,000 comments in 28 days. Now in the last 60 days, I had, as you can see, 4.7 million video views, 47,000 comments, and also 490,000, 500,000 likes. Why this is important in 2025 is because every social media platform, same like Google, YouTube, Facebook, right? They all want people to stay there and have positive experience. The name of the game is positive experience, engagement. That's the reason I run engagement ads first and then conversion ads afterwards. You see why? Because I understand how people think. We have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. And people, as you know, we go on TikTok, everyone you see around. Let me show you over here. Let me go here. What is happening over here? Do you see? The people on subway, you go on bus, you go on train, everybody, they are glued to their phone 24/7. They are glued to their screen. What they're doing? Sometimes watching Instagram, sometimes YouTube, sometimes TikTok. And what they're doing, they're also buying products. As you know, don't believe me, go on Google and Google it. Don't believe me, don't take my word for it. Go on Google right now, how many people in e-commerce are buying on TikTok shop products? On live shopping, live stream shopping, not only in China, but all around the world, US, Europe. It's going to happen. It's the new eBay, it's the new Amazon. Imagine the beginning of Amazon or eBay in USA, Australia, right? People start ordering online. This is happening right now in front of your eyes on TikTok. And if you're smart, and I know you are because you watch this video, you will not leave the money on the table. As you can see here, people are buying things online 24/7. If you're not the one buying, maybe your mom, grandma, or friends or neighbors are buying online and having food, clothes, courses, weight loss supplements, whey proteins delivered to their house. Okay? So we have a proof it's working. Otherwise, people will not be running any ads. Now, let's look at this. 92% of TikTok users, they say that they discovered new products in the app. What is actually the good thing, the profit out of this for you is the aha moment is if you have TikTok on your phone, now you don't have to be afraid to show your face. You don't have to show your face at all. With the UGC, you have models, you have AI things that are working in a place for you. And when I work with someone, coaching students, we do it together over the Zoom call. I'll give you exactly the templates. I'll give you exactly step by step what we are doing together so we can get up and running once for all finally and getting you really some serious money, right? As you can see over here, one of our students over here had in 1 week $6,000 in profit. And how much he spent on ads? $1,400 spent and make back in 7 days $6,480 US. Okay? So you can see how quickly you can make money. If you spend on ads on TikTok or Facebook $50 per day, and let's say you get 5% conversions, 2 sales per day, it's $250 profit. Okay, so you can see how quickly you can make a profit. What we get done is over here, as you can see over the Zoom call with one of my coaching students. We go on the Zoom call 3 times per week, connect for 30 minutes, and you can get up to $300 to $700 or more profit per day in your first 2 weeks, okay, or 7 days. So this is how it works, right? We have unaware audience, we have problem aware, solution aware, and product aware. So they have different audiences, right? And if you are failing, if you bought course in the past for $3,000 from some ClickBank millionaire guru and you failed, it's not your fault. Why? Because I know how it feels. I used to be there, same as you. I bought it courses and then I realized, heck, I need to have personal relationship with someone who can help me get up and running, who can give me the templates and show me the way so I can avoid those avoidable mistakes along the way, right? Of losing time and money. Because you can always get more money back, but you can never get time back that you wasted, okay? So that's why if I were you, I would pay someone to mentor me and coach me and show me, okay, let's do this, let's do that, and then together we can share the results, right? So as you watch this video, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one, okay? So over here, as you can see, is my Instagram. You can connect with me on my Instagram over here. Now, if you have any questions or anything, you can let me know about affiliate marketing, making money online, promoting other people's products, right? With ClickBank, TikTok, or YouTube ads, or Google ads, or Facebook ads, doesn't matter, right? The most important thing is to have someone to show you the way, to guide you along the way, and so you can have real, sustainable passive income online. I'm not promising you millions, okay? Because let's be honest, if you're a beginner, if you're someone who wants to get results, you know, right? You know it's not possible to make $1 million per month with no work at all, with no investment. So I'm giving you here the results that is, I can guarantee you, if you started from the beginning, you can make, yes, $300 to $700 per day, $2,000 per day. Yes, it's doable. It's doable. Okay? If you have at least 20 to 40 minutes per day, it's doable to do this. Okay? But if you want to scale further, it's different type of game. So do let me know where you're at and what your goal is, what you want to achieve, and then we can go from there. So connect with me over here, my Instagram. I have my personal WhatsApp number. I don't know when was the last time any guru on ClickBank or online on YouTube gave you their personal phone number that you can have personal relationship with, which in my opinion is very important. And also my Facebook. So everything and email is in the description under this video. Okay, so if you're really serious, if you have some money to invest in yourself to get results finally and once for all in 2025, last month in December, you know people are buying things online. So don't make excuses for yourself. Don't procrastinate, because you know people are buying before Christmas and New Year. They're making New Year resolutions for weight loss, so manifestation-ish on ClickBank, weight loss, personal development, self-help. All these people are buying right now in front of your eyes. As I showed you before over here, you see what happening? People are stuck to the phone. Don't believe me. Go on the street, go on the subway, wherever you are, as you watch this video, stop this video and see for yourself. Okay, people are scrolling on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok every single day, and you have the opportunity right now as you watch this video to take advantage of that and leverage, have your website or funnel show up on their feed and they buy the product from you. So again, thank you for watching this video and let's connect if you're serious.